the past 3 years, we've provided shelter for women and children that are not able to access services through Montgomery County because the waiting list is so long. Each year, we try to utilize as much time as we can, but oftentimes we're limited by the space that's allowed to us. Right now we're at a capacity of 19 people, yet we're getting ready to move to a place that only has spots for 8 beds. We're looking for additional locations so that we can be able to accommodate the growing number of women and children in need of shelter during the winter season. I myself have experienced homeless in my young adulthood years, at which point I had lost my job and was moving from couch to couch. And if it wasn't for the kindness of a group of church members who allowed to help me out, then I would still be homeless like many of the people that are here today. Yes, it is always hard and very difficult for us when we're not able to accommodate a 2-parent family, but more often what we're finding is single mothers that are just trying to find a stable place for their children. And oftentimes they're having to sleep in cars, and when they do that, they stand the risk of having their children removed and placed in foster care. A lot of women in here are very fearful that their children will be taken away from them when they have nowhere else to live.